Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the summer glow, and everything that I use in the video will be listed down in the description box, so please make sure to check that out. To start off, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss to plump up my lips, and while that's doing its job, I'm going to be going in with the TATCHA Silk Canvas Protective Primer, and then I'm going to be using the facial spray by BADESCU to prime my face. For foundation, I'm using the COVERGIRL Healthy Elixir. This is my favorite foundation. It's so lightweight, but it does cover a lot of my imperfections. I have a lot of redness and dark spots, so I really love this foundation. And another reason that I'm using it is because it does have SPF in it, so I'm going to be using this to help my skin from any sun damage. Since I brought up the sun damage, I did put sunscreen on before the primer and the facial spray. I did my skincare routine before I even recorded this. It is an important part to achieve a healthy glowing look. I'll probably do a video about my skincare routine another time. Right now I'm not the best at keeping up with doing my skincare every day, but once I have it down packed, I'll be doing a video on that. This foundation does a pretty good job with coverage, but I do need some extra help under the eyes. I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to conceal the under eyes as well as the side of my nose and mouth and chin, and I'm also going to be using this to highlight my nose and my forehead. After all the concealing, I'm going to be using the AIRSPUN translucent powder and lightly swiping that all over my face. Moving on to the brows, I want to keep it natural, so I'm using the Ready Set Brow by Benefit to set my brows in place. I'm doing this first so I can set the hairs in place and then go in and see where I'll need to fill in my brows at. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in Granite, I'm taking a angled brush, and once I dip the brush into the product, I'm taking the cap and removing excess product onto the inside of that cap. I'm going in now and just lightly filling in the parts of my brow where you see the skin. Once I have it filled in how I want it, I'm going to add some dimension. Is that how you say it? Dimension? Dimension. With the 3D brow tones by Benefit Cosmetics, and it is in medium brown to black. For the eyes, I'm keeping it very simple, taking the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm laying this as my base and going in with the 16 brand shadow. I'm going to lay this all over my lid. I'm using a shimmery shadow, and this one is a champagne pink with gold specks. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlight palette, I am using Forever Young and placing that on my brow bone. For the inner corner, I'm going in with the same palette and using Glow Getter, I am applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. Moving on to the face, to bring some warmth, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer in light to medium. For blush, I'm using one that has shimmer in it, and this one is by BECCA and it is in the shade Camila. Another BECCA product I'm going to be using is this highlighter, and it is in the shade Moonstone. So this is what the face currently looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you how much of a difference lashes make. The lashes I'm using are by Kiss and they're in the style Shy. They're very lightweight and the band is thin, so it's easy to hide the band within the line lash. But here you can see that I'm just putting them on and I'm doing the finishing touches, and this is the completed look, very glowy and ready for summer outing. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys again.